get Lastpass free. You just fill in your information, hit download. I already have an account. The one thing that I like to use most, and you can get different features. Obviously, I use Chrome predominantly. I add Chrome. It's added here. You just click add. Right now, I don't want to remove it, and you're going to see it up in here. So you can see all these passwords in here that are saved. If I want to go into my Lastpass, then I can see all of them, or I can search for them like LinkedIn, ClickFunnels, all these different things. Now let's just show you how simple it is. Once you have it installed and you're logged in here, so obviously I'm logged in, you put in your name and what's your master password, and then now you log into that Chrome extension, or you could go to LastPass and obviously just log in and you can see all your accounts in there. Let's say I want to log into Amazon. All I have to do is click this. I just click this button and it will launch it, and it will log me in automatically. That is the Amazon AW. Now let's just say I go into, right, I type in Seller Central. I want to go in here and log into my Amazon store account, or all the stores that I might be managing, right? So you can see this little button here. This is Lastpass. It comes up, obviously that's Google Chrome, remembering Apple, but you can see all of them in here, and I blurred them out for obvious reasons, and all you have to do is click fill, and then just hit sign in, and then you're automatically logged into your store. It's just that simple. You can have it on your mobile phone, right? Let's say I want to share my login with somebody else. So I come in here, click this little button, and this pulls up this. I just hit the share feature, and then I type in the email address that I want to share this with. I can allow them to see the password, or I can just make it so they can't see the password. They can log into my accounts, but they can't actually see it. So if I want to ever remove them, then I just delete it, and I remove them from having access to that password. They've never seen my actual password handy. All right, take care. Wish you the best.